What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. It's a little different. Alright, I'm gonna just show y'all grinder. I got my grinders aren't the best. So 1, 2. I got 2 of them. And neither of them have keef catchers or keef cartridges, which means I fucked the screen up. My fault. I fucked the screen up. Ain't no screen. There's supposed to be a screen on the bottom of this to collect all your keef. I fucked that up. So yeah, let's just, you want to get every little bit. What you gonna need? I got a I don't even know what the fuck this called. Got this. My roller paper's up too. It's just aggravating me. This really all you gonna need. If you really want to get into the cleaning and like cleaning part, you'll get the 70% alcohol or the I think it's 95%, like 85%, some shit like that. Alcohol and some Q-tips. Or you could use, I got some of these on standby. See, it got that sharp edge, so if you don't really have anything, I guess just use what you have. Scraping the keef off the grinder, it gotta be something metal, sturdy. So I will recommend like a bobby pin or a needle, something like that in that form. I'm gonna show y'all how much I got already. It's not too much. See that? It's not too much. I don't use my grinders as much. I hand break it down. I break it down manually by hand. And I got a little bit of weed in here too. Smell like dabs. But yeah, like I was saying, I don't use my grinder as much. I hand break it, so my grinders aren't really. They're not really. Yeah, they are. I want to say they're not dirty, but they are. You just really can't see it. It's hard to see it. And if you don't see it, you'll miss it. See, I scrape every little piece. And then you want to get a little tiny utensil to scrape up your keef with. So I got like this is from like matter of fact, I don't know if y'all see that. From a CD case. And you just want to like scrape up your keef with it. Look, you see all that keef on there? And you're going to have to like get something else to scrape the keef off the utensil with. Every little piece of keef in that little pile you got. I'm going to make another video on how to clean bongs. This one's latex, not latex, rubber. So it's not that dirty either because I just scraped it. So, but that's for another video. It's a completely different video. Let's not get sidetracked. Put this, what I got in here. There was a whole lot of keef in there, so that's gonna be a little thing of the collection. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah. And then, you know, grab your utensil and continue scraping. Every little blade. If you really want to get high, you ain't got no weed, plug not hitting back, or something wrong, and you ain't got no weed, and you want to like smoke like real bad, go ahead and clean your grinders, your bongs, your pipes, everything that you smoke out of. Fine, scrape, you feel me, clean everything. I'm getting sidetracked, and I haven't smoked today, so that's probably why. It's not a lot, trust me. It's not gonna look like a lot, but once you save up that keef, once you scrape all that keef out your grinder, and then you get the resin out your bong, put that shit together, that shit gonna get you hot in like a couple of hits, cuz I promise you that. Promise you that on God. So it's a little cleaner. I don't know if you guys can see that, but onto the top. Now in here, there's a decent piece in there, decent chunk of some weed. So you can add that to the keef or to a different collection, to a bud collection. If you're looking for buds around your house, you ain't got nothing to smoke, you're looking for buds around your house, put that to the bud collection. If you got some, you feel me? I want to pat it to get all the excess keef out. Scrape that over to the and it's already at 8 minutes. And you just want to scrape. I really have a lot of keef in the grinder, but it's like I said, it gets stuck over time. It gets stuck, and half of the time it gets stuck and you can't get it out. So cleaned out pretty much. Not too much to see there. Both sides kind of runs better too. You feel me? Runs really good. So it won't be careful sometimes because the magnet likes to come out of like the cheap grinders, so you might want to be careful sometimes. See, like my magnet just came out, and it's not even, these ain't even no cheap grinders. So I got the bullet one, and I got this is the money one. I don't know if you can see it. Like I said, they old, so this is supposed to be the keef catcher. I wanna bang that out a little bit. Scrape that over there to the keef, to the buzz, to the keef. Oh shit! Don't get hair in this shit though, bro. I don't know if y'all can see that. Got a hair in my shit. I hate. This is a personal pet peeve. I hate having hair in my weed, hair in my grinder, in my bowls. I hate it. First off, because you smoke that shit, and then second of all is it's just not. Why? Why would you want to smoke that? And what I like to do is I like to go around the rim right here. And I like to just scrape, because there's a lot of keef in the small ring. In the ring right here. That's inside the grinder. That's where a lot of the keef is collected. A lot of it. I wouldn't say half. It's a decent amount of keef that's collected in that little space, so and I forgot to tell y'all this. See all that? That's all weed. It don't even look like it, right? Because it's not even green anymore. It's like blackish, brownish, right? That's weed. That's all weed. See? And you got like a little tiny little pile. From just that ring. From just that ring. I don't know if it's... I'll put something by it to compare his eyes. I'm sorry, I'm moving the camera around so much, y'all. There you go. It's about the top of that key, so it's not that bad. That's about a good amount of keef. But yeah, that's about it. And then on this one, it's not like this one. The top of this one goes inside the grinder. The top of this one goes outside. So we don't really get weed gets stuck on the gold one right around here instead of around the rim. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, and comment what y'all want to see next on weed, bongs, pipes. See y'all, man. Like, comment, subscribe.